Welcome to Planter Garden TV. Today I'm cleaning up. I use the lawnmower and I cut all these grass go down here. Here was like over there, but I cut it down because I want to plant a short crop over here. I want to plant like beans, like zucchini, like squash, those kind of things. I want to plant them right in this area and this slope. I mean, this whole garden is a slope, so I'm extending the garden because this is going to be my summer crop. Okay, so this is my summer garden. Over there is my spring garden. So I'm harvesting from there now. I have pepper, tomato, kale, broccoli, everything over there. But now I want to do my summer crop right in this area here. All right, so guess what now? So all up here I'm going to be planting beans, short crop, because right now we in June. So we have a slope right here. So the best how to plant a slope is by digging banks to plant on a slope, because on a slope a lot of water gonna be running through your garden. So the first thing at the top you want to do, you want to dig a bank to lead the water away from your garden. You see this bank? This is a bank. I set some seed in here, but you have to have, like here, you have to have here the water, a gutter. You got to create a gutter to take the water from rushing through your garden. So the best how to plant a slope garden is the first thing you have to create a gutter to the top that leads the water around your garden. So now I'm preparing this whole area here to plant short crop. All right, so now I'm digging banks.